If a transmission coolant line fails on a semi-truck, you usually don't get a warning. You find out after the transmission overheats. By then, the damage is already done. Every semi-truck relies on a transmission coolant strategy to control heat and protect internal components. What many drivers don't realize is that not every truck is cooled the same way. Some trucks send transmission oil to the radiator where there's an internal cooler built into the radiator. Other setups send engine coolant to a heat exchanger inside the transmission. Some trucks use standalone external coolers that rely on forced air to cool the oil. And in some applications, there are no dedicated transmission coolers at all. The system relies on heat transfer through the drivetrain and operating conditions. That makes inspections even more critical. No matter what setup you have, the system still depends on coolant lines and oil lines staying intact and flowing correctly. These lines are often aluminum, sometimes mixed with short rubber sections, and they run underneath the truck. They're exposed to road debris, vibration, corrosion, heat, and improper routing. We see lines get damaged, kinked, rubbed through, or restricted. And when that happens, flow drops. And when flow drops, temperatures rise. Once temperatures rise, several things can happen. Transmission oil can break down, coolant and oil can cross-contaminate, oil loss can occur, internal transmission damage can follow. At that point, you're no longer dealing with a simple line issue. You're dealing with a transmission problem. This is why it's critical to know which cooling setup your truck uses, or if it has one at all, and have it inspected regularly. We look for line damage or kinking, restriction in the flow, improper routing, signs of leakage or contamination, early failure points before overheating occurs. Most of the failures we see didn't happen suddenly. They were building over time. This applies to all makes and models. The system may be different, but the risk is the same when the system isn't inspected. A cooling system issue caught early is manageable. A cooling system failure caught late gets expensive. If you're running a semi-truck and haven't had your transmission cooling system checked, this is something you don't want to ignore. A line repair is minor. A damaged transmission is not. If you're in the Dallas area and wanting it inspected properly, give us a call.